What is the best programming language today and going forward? It is difficult to determine the best programming language, as the right language for a particular task or project can depend on a variety of factors, including the specific goals, requirements, and resources of the project, as well as the experience and preferences of the programmer. That being said, some programming languages are more popular and widely used than others, and it can be beneficial for a programmer to be familiar with a variety of languages in order to be able to choose the most appropriate one for a given task. Some of the most popular programming languages today include Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language that is widely used in fields such as data science, machine learning, and web development. It is known for its simplicity and readability, making it a good choice for beginners as well as experienced programmers. Java. Java is a widely used, object-oriented programming language that is known for its portability. It can run on any device that has a Java virtual machine, and scalability. It is commonly used for building enterprise-level applications. C++. C++ is a high-performance programming language that is commonly used in systems programming, as well as in the development of applications that require a lot of computational power. It is more difficult to learn than some other languages, but it is also very powerful. C#. C# is a programming language developed by Microsoft that is similar to Java in many ways. It is commonly used for building Windows applications and is also used in the development of games. JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that is commonly used in web development to create interactive front-end web applications. It is also used in the development of mobile and desktop applications. Ultimately, the best programming language for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. It can be helpful to learn multiple languages and to keep up to date with new developments in the field. You can click on like button to encourage us and also click on subscribe to get more videos like these. Thank you.